In this video, we will show you how to create transparent background on Canva. In here, we will show you how to export our design with transparent background. For example, we are creating design like this. Then, in here, we need just to click share button. Because our design is with white background, we can download our design in here. And in here there is transparent background for premium option in the Canva, but don't worry, we can using this image and make them transparent background. We can click download first. Okay, we can save on our desktop. Just you can see this is the white background. If you see in the share button, you can get the transparent background for premium of Canva, or you must subscribe. But if you really want this image, you can just open remove the background or remove the PG and just upload your image. Then you can just download. Now you can see this is the original, and we will open our second design. Okay, you can see here. The first method, you can subscribe Canva for premium version, and the second method, you can using remove dot background tools. Hope this video helpful for you.